Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into a world of beauty and history in the heart of Italy, the city of Rome. Rome. Rome, the Eternal City, stands as one of the oldest and most influential cities in the world, steeped in a rich tapestry of history and culture. Located in central Italy, along the banks of the Tiber River, Rome is the capital of Italy today. Renowned for its ancient history, unique architectural landmarks, and rich culture, Rome has left an indelible mark on human civilization. Legend has it that Rome was founded in 753 BC by the mythical figure Romulus, and it grew from a small settlement on 7 hills. Initially, Rome evolved as a small colony, but gradually expanded into a formidable empire. From the 3rd century BC to the 5th century AD, Rome expanded to become a vast empire stretching from North Africa to Europe and Asia Minor. Rome was a center of civilization, commerce, and the arts, blending various cultures that contributed to its unique identity. Rome served as a hub for classical Roman art and architecture. The city boasts temples, public squares, theaters, and stadiums that showcase the grandeur of Roman engineering and design. Roman art is renowned for its exquisite sculptures and magnificent wall paintings adorning many buildings and villas. Rome is home to numerous iconic landmarks, such as the Roman Forum, the Colosseum, and the Arch of Triumph. These structures reflect the artistic and engineering prowess of the Romans and tell compelling stories of the Roman Empire's history. Rome's cultural heritage is an integral part of the global cultural landscape. Many civilizations have been influenced by Roman art, literature, and law, and its impact continues to be felt in various aspects of daily life. Food in Rome holds a special place in the world of cuisine, where fresh, natural ingredients meet ancient culinary traditions to create a rich and distinctive experience for every visitor. Roman cuisine relies on using few ingredients with simple techniques that excellently highlight their natural flavors. Pasta. Rome is renowned for its variety of distinctive pasta dishes, such as spaghetti carbonara, which includes egg sauce, cheese, and pancetta, and pasta alla matriciana, which features tomato sauce, cheese, and pancetta. Pizza. While the origin of pizza traces back to Naples, it enjoys great popularity in Rome as well. Roman pizza is characterized by its thin, crispy crust and the use of fresh food and natural ingredients as key components. While Rome is steeped in history, it is also a vibrant modern metropolis with a thriving contemporary culture. The city buzzes with life, from its bustling piazzas and lively markets to its chic boutiques and trendy neighborhoods. Visitors can explore the charming streets of Trastevere, stroll along the banks of the Tiber River, or enjoy panoramic views from the Janiculum Hill. Rome is more than just a city. It is a journey through time, a tapestry of past and present woven together in stone, marble, and culture. It is a city of contrasts, where ancient ruins stand alongside modern architecture, and where the past is always present. To visit Rome is to step back in time, to walk in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators, and to experience the timeless beauty of the Eternal City.